What's up, YouTube? So you guys can see that today I'm about to dye a wig. So I'm going to be doing watercolor. This is the brand that I'm going to be using. So I'm starting off with hot water. I'm going to be using these two dyes by Adore, Ocean Blue and Baby Blue. So first I'm going to take the Ocean Blue. That's the one I'm going to pour a lot. So that is like majority of the color that's going to go into the wig. So you're going to need a lot of that one because that's the bright color. And then the Baby Blue is just like a, just like a lighter color, but it comes through kind of like a highlight. And yeah, so it just makes it look overall all good and it pops. Like it looks beautiful. So next I'm going to go ahead and stir it up with this little thing. I just took something out of the kitchen. I couldn't find like anything wood and anything. So I just took it out of the kitchen. I stir it up real good. I waited till you can see like all of the coloration done, but the only thing is because it's dark blue, you really can't tell. So you just gotta stir until you feel like it. So next, I'm gonna go ahead and get the wig. And the wig I already bleached it, did all that good stuff to it. So basically, I'm gonna go ahead and take it, dip it inside. The most important part, you guys, like for real, the most important part is to make sure that you got that lace in your hand. Because if you get any of the color on the lace, you will have to go all the way back and re-dye it. Luckily, I didn't get any on the lace, so I didn't have to do that. But as you guys could see, I had to make sure I get all of the hair inside. And that was kind of like a trick for me because this was like my first wig. So it was like, yo, this is going to be interesting. But as you can see, I got majority of the color on. And I had to make sure I fix and get all of the hair off the little lace to make sure I ain't get none in there. Also, excuse my sisters in the back. They're looking at this beautiful project as well. So, yeah, overall, the color was really easy to get on. Basically because it was like a, a darker color. But as you can see, I'm still dipping it. Dipping and dipping. It took me like 15 to 20 minutes. Actually, I won't say 15 to 20. I'll probably say like 10 to 15 because it wasn't that long to dip it because I had to make sure I get all the way out. This is my ending result. And as you can see, it came out beautifully. So I will tell you guys to make sure that you guys try this little trick as well. And also, this is watercolor. And stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching my videos. Make sure you guys follow me on all social medias at Early Likey. And yeah, peace.